Hi guys, Charlie Bradford here, and I want to welcome you to my channel. Today is a big one. This is something I'm really excited about. If you're here, it's because you're looking for a way to start an affiliate marketing business. You've been doing some research on YouTube, you're trying to find a way that you can earn money online, and you've stumbled upon this video. Fantastic. I'm really excited about sharing this with you today because I truly believe that absolutely anyone can earn money online with affiliate marketing. And I want to jump straight over onto the laptop now. I want to show you some slides and I want to show you why I believe that that is possible for absolutely anyone and why you can start earning money online right now with affiliate marketing. So let's jump right in. Hi guys, so we're over on the laptop now. Let's jump right into the slides. So you're here because you're trying to find out how you can start an affiliate marketing business. And what I want to go through is how you can get started, what you need to get started, and then go on to the fundamentals that you need to start an affiliate marketing business. So affiliate marketing and learning is a skill-based business. It's a marketing business. So you need to have the skills. You need to be able to learn the skills. You need a basic strategy in place, and that can range from a number of things. But usually, what you'll do to start with is you'll join a program. You'll follow someone who's got the results you're already looking to get, so that you can follow their path. Yes, there's free information out there. There's a lot of free information out there. But the problem is with the free information is that you can jump from thing to thing to thing, and nothing ever gives you that. Everything combined, it's very, very difficult to put a business together, and it is a business. You need to treat it like a business. If you want to be successful with this, you need to be ready to invest your time and make some financial investments, because it is a business. The barrier of entry for affiliate marketing is incredibly low in comparison to a lot of other businesses. It takes very little money to get started, and there's some huge benefits to starting a business with affiliate marketing. And that is why I think it's great that you're here looking at how you can get started. I truly believe that absolutely anyone can earn money online with affiliate marketing. So the fundamentals, what do you need to start an affiliate marketing business? Well, first off, you need traffic. Any business needs traffic. And what I mean by traffic is that you need to get people in front of your product or your offer, whatever it is you're promoting as an affiliate. And if you want to find out more about the basics of affiliate marketing, what affiliate marketing is, I would highly recommend that you click on the link below this video. There is a link below this video, and there's I've built a free training program down there. Click on the link, put your best details in, because it's going to be emailed to you, so put your best email in there, guys. Feel free to jump on that anytime, but that will go through the basics of what affiliate marketing is if you really want to find that a bit more. But today we're just going to talk about these fundamentals. So traffic, you could have the best product in the world, but people, the quote that is put out there about build it and they will come, I'm sure you've all heard that, is a false. It just doesn't work like that. You can have the best product out there, and if you can't get people to look at that product, you can't get people's eyes on that product or that offer or whatever it is that you're promoting, then you're never going to sell it. It's all about marketing, and marketing starts with getting traffic, and that is getting people in front of your product. The next step, the next fundamental step of building an affiliate marketing business is having a funnel, a sales funnel. Again, I've got other videos that go more into detail about the sales funnels, and I'll stick a clip up here so you can jump onto that video if you want to go and have a look at what a sales funnel is and how that works and how you can get started building sales funnels, what software to use. But sales funnels, effectively, what you're going to use as a capture for information. So you're gonna give an offer to someone. You're going to capture their information, and then that way you can use that to promote products and increase your average order values as well, and really help you scale that business and make your affiliate marketing business a sustainable business. The next part of it is tracking. You absolutely got to track. And what I mean by this is, when you're an affiliate, you have affiliate links that are given to you for the products, and you're going to use different traffic sources to drive traffic. That could be social media, it could be YouTube videos such as this one here. It could be that you're paid ads, solo ads, all of this stuff. Again, I talk about in more detail in other videos. So feel free to subscribe to my channel, guys, and go and check all that information out. But the tracking, what that does is you can see what's working and what isn't. Again, you need to become data driven in your business. You need to understand what you're doing that is working and what you're doing that doesn't work, so that you don't repeat the same things. You need to learn from that, and the way you do that is by have tracking on those links. So if you're driving traffic from different sources using different techniques, you can see what works for your particular audience and your particular niche. So that is a vital part. The next bit is the offer, the product. This takes a lot of effort to find the right thing. I think ethically, you can go and jump on websites like JVZoo and ClickBank and just go and grab the first product that you find. That, in my opinion, that doesn't work, because how can you promote that and drive traffic to it when you don't fully understand what the product solves, what problems that solves? So for me, to get the right product, you need to do some research. It needs to be something that connects with you, something you can use. I would recommend going and buying a product, consuming the entire product so you understand it fully, and then you can promote it. That's the best way to pick an offer. And then obviously, like we said, the next fundamental part of building an affiliate marketing business is marketing skills. Marketing is a skill, and it takes time to build. Anyone that tells you can jump online and start making money overnight with no skills at all is lying, because it takes skills. But what you need is, you need to be ready to invest in yourself, to learn, and follow someone. Like, as I said before, follow a mentor. Find someone that you can follow that can show you those skills and teach you those skills, and then you can implement in your own business. So it's that simple. It really is. It really is that simple, and that's why I believe that absolutely anyone can earn money online with affiliate marketing. But what you've got to do, there's a lot of rubbish stuff out there, guys. You've got to avoid it. There's so much misinformation, and all that's going to do is going to keep you confused. You can go and try and do it down a free route, go and looking at YouTube videos and getting free content, but essentially, if you invest, you're going to cut the curve on your learning curve, and you're going to massively increase your chances of success, because unfortunately, most people do fail. Most people never get to living the life of their dreams through affiliate marketing. And it's not because the information's not out there. A lot of the time, it's down to attitude and mindset. It's because they're not ready and willing to invest in themselves. So you've got to be ready to learn. You've got to be ready to invest in yourself. You've got to have the right attitude, and absolutely anyone can do it, guys. I truly believe that. And if you want to find out how I did it, then I've put a free training together. It's just below this video. Just feel free to hit the link, guys, just below this video. I'd love you to jump in there, put your best email in, because the training is going to be emailed to you. Make sure you whitelist my emails that come through. And I really, really want to help you guys see that anyone can earn money online with affiliate marketing. So go and do that now, guys, and look out for my next video. Subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be putting all that content out, talking about all that stuff I just showed you in the previous video. The traffic, sales funnels, marketing skills, all of that I'm going to cover in all my videos. I'm going to be releasing videos on a regular basis on this channel, so stay tuned, guys, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.